high-speed Autobahn runs with no roof and one of Europe's longest toboggan runs. This is the Octane Road Trip.
Okay, this is fast!
After a chaotic morning, we jumped back into the Lotus and hit the road through South Germany. The Autobahn felt completely ridiculous without a roof. But that was only the start, because halfway through the day, we found one of the craziest side quests of the entire trip. Good morning! Day number 3, I guess? Let's go for breakfast. We're back. Didn't film anything of the breakfast, but I think we have time constraints and I think we have to get going. Getting the luggage in. Getting ready for the trip. Here comes the BMW. Store our roof in because, yeah, there's no space for the roof. We need to put the roof somewhere. Our luggage car is coming. Okay, we all quickly wash the car a little bit, put the sunscreen on. It's getting hectic here. Got Simon's MX-5. Look at how obliterated his car is. Whoa! He for sure got enough protein that day. Super nice. Now I think we're ready. Let's get going. German Autobahn, no roof. Let's do a top speed run. No speed limit. It definitely hits different without a roof. I think his car smells.
Yeah.
Whoa. Is it the clutch?
Not sure, I think so.
It sounds good though. 200 without a roof! Whoa! 220 without a roof is insane! The M4 right here, that is made for the Autobahn. This one isn't as much. Simon is also coming in the MX-5! Look at him going! Come on in! Oh, we need to go up. We almost missed the exit! That was a lot of fun. Wow.
I'm like in tears.
And you never know, I'm not sure now, is it unrestricted or not?
Not sure.
Oh! Sick! Okay, let's give it another pull! The Germans get it! This is the way to do it! Unrestricted! And it works perfectly fine! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
BMW flying by! Alright, first fuel stop. Yeah, the Lotus obviously has the smallest tank of all, so I need to refuel a lot of times. That Porsche is so nice. Guess we get going here. Back there, the Lotus is. We made the second stop. Sorry, first stop was the gas station. Now the second stop, we're gonna go on the Europe's biggest toboggan run, like a little roller coaster thingy. Hopefully, I can do the POV on that. That could be fun. We up here. Look at that. That looks absolutely amazing. I'm so hyped to drive this. Oh. Okay, let's do it. Let's try and not brake at all. I'm not sure if it's gonna be possible. It's gonna be fast for sure. It feels illegal doing that actually. The camera is flopping around. Okay, it's not as fast as I anticipated. Whoa! Gotta watch out, so I keep the camera on my head. I hope it's worth the video. Well, it's literally not as fast as I thought it would be. Okay, this is gonna be fast. Whoa! The G-forces are almost like in the Lotus. Oh, I love this already. Whoa! Okay. Okay, but the turns do slow you down. It's not enough. Okay, yes, this slows down a lot, right? Whoa! Whoa! Okay, 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 this is fast. Ah! 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 I almost lost the camera. Oh! Oh! This is the most difficult part, keeping the camera on my head, actually. Whoa, this is a long ride. What is it, 2.8 kilometers, I think? And oh, the G-forces are pretty hard on my back. Oh. The padding is actually really minimal. Oh, the bucket seats in my Lotus are much more comfy. Oh. I think I gotta lean into the corner. Oh yeah, oh that's much better. Lean into the corner. Lean into it. Nice. Oh yes, this is better. Oh, okay, I cannot lean back with my head. I need to lean forward. That is better. Is it already done? No. Oh no. Oh, there's much more to go. Whoa, yes, let's go. Whoa, no braking still. I haven't braked since. Oh. If you love G-forces, you gotta try this. Woo! Some jumpies. Nice! Oh no, we're catching up! We're actually catching up! Oh no! He said it's gonna go fast. I was never braking so far. If I have to brake, it's not on me. I think he also tries to go faster. Now that he's seen me, my wife is just coming right after me. I hope she's alright. I can't see her yet. I'm sure she's gonna be braking a bit more. Oh, different type of POV today. Can we catch him before the bottom? Maybe. Lean into the corner. Fully lean in. It is possible. I just ate a fly or something. Okay, attention. Whoa, here, a roundabout, full speed, leaning in. I think the turns could be angled a bit more in my opinion. Whoa, to make it a bit faster.
Brilliant.
That was a lot of fun.
Anyone who says they didn't touch the brakes on the bit that went down.
I didn't, but on my back. It is a harsh ride on my back. How was it?
Windy.
That was so much fun. Yeah, well, there you have it. Toboggan run here, Alpsee, Bergveld. Try it out. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. That was so nice.
So
yeah.
cool.
So much.
Did you go no brakes?
No brakes. 100%.
No
You?
brakes?
Yeah, no brakes.
No brakes. That was so much fun. Did you?